perfect shot, right? The light, the moment, the emotion, except it never happened. The entire image, fake. This was made by AI in seconds. So if AI can do this, where does this leave real photographers? Let's talk about it. So the big question is, can AI really replace photographers? Can it capture the same depth and emotion that a real photographer can? Today, we're going to be putting AI to the test and testing its strengths and its weaknesses, and answering the ultimate question, who wins the battle? But before we dive in, and if you love photography, hit the like button as it really helps. Alright, let's get started. AI has come a long way in just a few years. These tools can generate anything from portraits to beautiful landscapes to even surreal or otherworldly type art. All I need to do is type a few words in like golden hour portrait of a woman standing in a wheat field. And in seconds, boom, it generates the image. No need for a camera, lighting setup, or expensive gear. But is it really photography, or is it something else entirely? Let's be real though, AI has some major advantages to traditional photography. Here's why businesses are turning to AI-generated images rather than real photos. Speed and efficiency. AI creates images instantly, so there's no need for a long shoot, post-production, or editing. Next is cost savings. Companies save thousands of dollars using AI-generated stock photos instead. And lastly is limitless creativity. AI allows anyone to create stunning visuals without years of experience in photography. You can generate fantasy worlds, futuristic cities, and hyper-realistic portraits without ever touching a camera. So far, it sounds like AI has photography beat, right? But not so fast. Here's where AI starts to fall apart. Why AI can't replace real photographers. AI images may look impressive, but they lack something that makes real photography special. Human connection. So let's break down why AI can't fully replace photographers. Inconsistency and errors. AI messes up small but important things. You'll get extra fingers, unnatural facial expressions, and even shadows that aren't supposed to be there. Like for example, if I wasn't real and I was AI, my fingers would have 3 more fingers added to it. Or if you could see my toes, I'd probably have 3 more toes. And my facial expression won't look as natural. I'd look a little bit wooden and robotic. So that's the thing that AI can't get right. Unnatural facial expressions and always gives you loads of fingers. Creativity versus originality. AI learns from existing data, remixing and reinterpreting it. But real photographers bring their own unique vision, storytelling, and artistic choices. AI can generate an image, but there's no real emotion to it, and you don't feel something when you look at it. Whereas if the image is captured by a real photographer, you can feel the emotion. As far as if it's a couple, you can feel the love and enamor in their eyes for each other. And it's more robotic in AI images. This brings us to the most important part of the debate, the future of photography. But will AI replace photographers? No. but it will change how photography works. So let's talk about what's next. Use AI as a tool, not a replacement. Photographers who embrace AI have an edge. AI can help with editing, idea generation, and even enhancing images, but it can't replace the human eye. We're already seeing AI take over in areas like stock photography, advertisements, and marketing images. For wedding photography, documentary work, photojournalism, AI can't replace them human moments. The best photographers, they'll adapt. The key to success is using AI as a creative tool, not fearing it. The most successful artists will blend AI with real photography to push the creative boundaries. So what do you think? Do you think AI will change photography forever? Or will real photographers always have the upper hand? Let's wrap it up. Real photography isn't just about lighting, sharpness, and composition. It's about storytelling, emotion, and people behind the lens. AI is an incredible tool, but it can never really fully replace the heart and soul of a real photographer. But what do you think? Do you think AI is a game changer? Or do you think that it's a threat to the photography industry? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button as it really helps. Subscribe for more photography insights and creative tips. And you can follow me on all my social medias here. And if you want to know some more photography tips and tricks, you can click on this playlist here.